Experience the magic of Varanasi during Maha Kumbh in Prayagraj. In this tour trailer, witness the serene morning in Varanasi, a breathtaking sunrise from a traditional hand boat, and the mesmerizing evening view from the Bhagirathi river cruise. Explore the spiritual essence of Sarnath, visit Swarved Mahamandir, the world's largest meditation center, and soak in the beauty of stunning sunrises and sunsets. Don't miss this incredible journey. Details of Varanasi during Maha Kumbh in Prayagraj will be uploaded soon. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shutterbug in Norway for more exciting adventures.